What up, YouTube family? This is Kendrick, my kid's hero, and today, me and my wife, LaShonda's Fabulous Life, are gonna try these jackfruit cakes. They're vegan. Never had them before, but people have told me they are pretty good. So we are gonna try those out, and we're gonna try this palak paneer. It's like a spinach with curry and chili. It's seasoned. We're trying to eat healthy here. So we're going to try this out and we're going to tell you how it is. What up, YouTube? This is Kendrick, my kid's hero. I am here with my wife, LaShonda's Fabulous Life. And we, like we said earlier, we have the spinach and paneer cheese with a bit of chili and curry. We're trying to eat healthy. And we have the jackfruit crabless cakes. I did the crabless cakes in the air fryer, and we just microwaved this other stuff. So we're gonna get into it, and we're gonna tell you what it's like.
I'm gonna be honest. This right here is giving me some concern.
Second thoughts. Oh, we have to pray.
God is good. God is great. Let's thank you for the food. Amen. In Jesus' name.
That will do. It's a little spicy, but well, not bad, but it's a little spicy. And this meal was it came from Trader Joe's. It's Trader Joe's is like a Whole Foods, a health food store. So it's a new year, and me and the wife are trying something different.
Well,
Trying to knock it down a few pounds.
I can tell you this right now. I ain't gonna be eating this right here. Trader Joe's will never get a dime out of me for this right here. Try it one more time. Mm-mm. Not good. I'm gonna see how this is because it kind of reminds you of a salmon croquette. So, let me see. And it kind of looks like one, and the
Texture, everything.
the color and everything.
Doesn't have that much of a taste to it to me, if you think about it.
Yeah, tastes like nothing. It's not horrible. I can eat it though.
Yeah, you can eat it, but just they really don't taste like anything.
I think you need some hot sauce.
Probably. You want me to get some hot sauce?
I'm call a kid.
Okay.
Hey Kelly, can you give us some hot sauce? Give us some hot sauce. Oh, my poor child can't hear. I need some hot sauce.
So yeah, we're trying to see which meals hit and miss for 2020. This one is on the verge of striking out with my wife.
Well, these right here, I'm gonna see if hot sauce give it some flavor.
Yeah.
Want to see about that. But that's whatever this spinach situation in the cabinet, ain't it? There it is, right up there. This poor child. Well, just bring me that one because we're in dire need over here. Dire need.
Yeah.
You gotta open it.
Let go and stop playing. It's open.
It's not open, Mom.
Well, he ain't need no hot sauce on
Well,
here.
the only reason is because This right here is mighty spicy.
Well, I'm through with it.
Oh, okay.
I wish I had a napkin to wipe it off my spoon. I'm through with that. I can't deal with that. They don't have a good flavor at all. And I love spinach. But whatever they did to this spinach. What?
I'm trying to see. What you think? I want to take a bite. You want to leave me in the cold?
No, it does nothing.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm going to continue like this.
Didn't give it no added flavor. I think they should have seasoned it when they were preparing it at their factory. Because it don't have like no seasoning flavor either. It really don't. I can't say it's good. It's basically like this meal has made me sad. The best thing about this meal is this drink.
Yes. My lemonade. But it also makes you sad because knowing that this is the last meal of the day for you.
Yeah.
And it's turned out to be a big zero.
We wasted because we can't eat past 7. So we've wasted our opportunity on this. I blame Kendrick, my kid's hero, for this meal.
Well, I'm going to say it today. I'm going to get us a granola bar to put a good taste in the mouth before 7 o'clock.
Man, I really don't even have no desire to eat this one. And I was straight up hungry.
Well, I'm basically eating for survival now.
If I had to eat this tomorrow, I probably wouldn't survive. Because it's not good. This is a thumbs down. Man. It's a last resort meal.
Yeah.
Ain't no other possible way you can get your hands on any other kind of food.
This was a Trader Joe no.
Y'all
Never do it again.
Not good at all. I'm struggling.
Well, that's it for me.
Look at him, y'all. He done have left a little something. He told me that's it for him. Sure it is. Sure it is.
Supposed to show my plate. Put it on.
We're talking it's it for me.
I told you I was eating for survival.
His plate should look like this. If he up there finna say that's it, I'm in the struggle for real. Woo! This is a dud.
Yeah, it's a no. All right, YouTube family, if you like, hit the like button, subscribe, and we will talk to you later. LaShonda's Fabulous Life, Kendrick, my kid's hero. We're signing out.